Hi, I'm Jayme Kruegar. I'm a realtor with Coldwell Banker Tomlinson in Kennewick, Washington. I'm here to introduce this weekend's open houses and have a great Father's Day. It's also Father's Day this weekend. It's also Father's Day. Hi, I'm Jayme Kruegar. I'm a realtor. Okay. Hi, I'm Jayme Kruegar. I'm a realtor with Coldwell Banker Tomlinson. Holy cow. I'd also like to say Happy Father's Day, and I just looked right over there. I like to, jeez. Banker Tomlinson. I don't know why I can't say that. Why is that so hard to get out now? Okay. Okay.